12 years old. I am at school SR Vidyapit and I am the winner of SOY 2024. Today I am going to share my journey with SOY from first round to last round. This platform is good. You should participate in this event. You will get to learn many things from this. Short hard work and determination. I have earned this winning. It's a reminder of what's possible when you never give up. This is just the start. Thank you.
Good evening, all of you. Good evening, sir. I am Trisha Chakraborty. To my incredible daughter, your hard work and dedication have bought you this well-deserved win. I am beyond proud of you. This is just the start of your amazing journey. Congratulations. God bless my daughter. Thank you.
गुड इवनिंग ऑल ऑफ यू. गुड इवनिंग सर. आई एम जूही चक्रवर्ती. मेरी प्यारी बेटी त्रिशा, तुम्हारी मेहनत और समर्पण ने तुम्हें यह जीत हासिल दिलाई है. मैं तुम पर बहुत गर्व महसूस करती हूँ. यह सिर्फ एक शुरुआत है. आगे तुम्हारी सफ़र और भी शानदार होगी. बधाई हो. मेरी दुआ है कि तुम ऐसे ही करके आगे बढ़ती जाओ. हमेशा हम लोग तुम्हारे साथ हैं. Congratulations and God bless you, Trisha.
Good evening everyone. Good evening sir. I am Aditi and first of all many returns of the day. Congratulations Trisha, and to my amazing sister, your hard work and your passion have truly paid off this win show. The world what I will always known you are unstoppable. Congratulations. And I'm proud of you, my sister. And congratulations.
Congratulations again.
Once again.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.